Well, apparently it's the Darcy show. Can I sit here, please? Hey everyone, hope you're all okay. Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! As if we are in 2024 already. Happy New Year to all. Hope you all have a happy and healthy 2024. And thank you so much for all of your support in 2023. Every single view, like, comment, etc. means well to me. So thank you so much. So, first video of the year, and I wasn't actually going to film one of these. I was really undecided, which is why I'm uploading it maybe a few days later than normal. But I've done nothing but watch these the last few days, and I've literally loved seeing what everyone got. Such a variety, different things, and I just love being nosy. So I thought, do you know what, I'm going to film one. So I hope you guys enjoy. It is a what I got for Christmas video. I've got it all laid out around me, spread across the floor. I decided to film by the Christmas tree because I'm really going to miss it when it's taken down. So that is what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up down below. So I'm going to start with a few little stocking fillers because as you get older, these come in very handy, trust me. The price of like toiletries and everything now is crazy, and I'm not gonna lie, like I must be saving a fortune from having a stocking. So I'm gonna dive straight in. First up, I'm gonna start with some bathy bits. So this is the Radox Blissful Bath Soak. Oh my god, this smells insane. I literally cannot wait to have a bath with it. And then this one is the Coconut Island Ocean Hero boots. These are the dupes. So the orange one is the dupe for the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and then the pink one is a Snow Fairy dupe, and this one is basically a beach in a bottle. Oh, it smells so good. So if you ever see these in boots, I think they're like $1.99, grab them because they last for ages and they smell incredible. Of course, I also got some cozy little Primark socks. I've actually never seen the ones that are like short length. Normally all my cozy socks are like proper ankle length. These ones are, no, ankle length, like, yeah, high ankle length, whereas these are more like low ankle, if that makes sense. Good old Primark. This one, the price of this has gone up so much. I remember the mini ones used to be 99p in Primark. Now they're like £3.50 for a mini one. This is the Garnier Micellar Water. I use this to take my eye makeup off. They actually last ages, but they're really, really handy. And then you can always pour some into like a little travel one when you're traveling if you don't want to pay £3.50 for the mini one. And then there's a little bit of a theme here. I think people know what I like. This is the Mango Bath Blend from The Body Shop. Again, this smells so good. Thought I just spilled it all down me. Oh, it actually smells like almost like you could eat it. Obviously, wouldn't recommend, but so good. The most useful stocking filler ever. Cotton pads, again, to go with the micellar water. And of course, a new little tanning mitt. This will not be white for very long at all. It will be orange within a matter of uses, but exfoliating mitt. Did I just say tanning mitt? You know what I mean. Exfoliating mitt to get the tan off. I then got some little DIY nail sets. These are the nail files, and this is to get rid of all your hard skin on your feet, which this is going to come in very handy. Basically, I can do a pedicure at home myself. It's really cute. You've got like the dry skin bit, the buffer, the little brush, and then the stony bit, and then two little nail files, which is going to come in very handy because I've actually split this one of my nails, so I need to whack these out later. Of course, I got a Barbie cup. So this is actually quite relevant because this is just Barbie, but then on the other side it says mentally on the beach. So I'll be having a little cup of tea with that ASAP, imagining that I'm on the beach, especially now it's like miserable outside. I then got this little travel set. These come in handy. I'm sure I buy about 3 each year. I don't know why. You'd think I'd look after like one set, but I end up with loads. Perfect for a little holiday. Obviously some hand gel because everyone knows I always have one in my handbag. Then got some Pearl Drops toothpaste. This toothpaste is so good. I think it's like maybe it's either £5 or £10. No, it's either £5 or £9. I can't remember now. Maybe £5.99. But it is really good. Then some chocolate. I'm just going to be working my way through all of this chocolate forever. Cute little face masks, deodorant, dry shampoo. Honestly, these products are so standard, but when you get to, I feel like when you're at any age, actually, they just come in so useful. We've got a little snack selection here. Look, I've actually got the adult and the baby, adorable. Jelly beans and a little mini Toblerone. Bit of a running theme going on here. I also got the Barbie Tangle Teezer, which I'm in need of because I actually stopped using Tangle Teezer and started to use a wet brush. But my hair is, now it's got really long, as you can see. We're getting a little bit knotty. Little Barbie Tangle Teezer is cute. I mean, I don't know, there is a little bit of a theme going on here. If you watch my what I got for my birthday video, I've got a few Barbie things. So those are kind of like my stockingy filler bits. Now I'm going to move on to my other prezzies. This one you are going to see me living in a lot. This is basically me to a T in a jumper. Just says a running club. It's from Pretty Little Thing. This one is a size small and I love it. Look at that. It's definitely like my kind of colour, and I love the fact it's got a zip. These are nice, but like I have to constantly pull them down because I feel like really like kind of like claustrophobic against my neck. I have to constantly pull it down, whereas the zip, game changer. So definitely one of my fave prezzies. Then I also got some makeup storage. This is going to come in very handy for some of my palettes, lipsticks, lip glosses, little pigment pots. And then I also got this one, which I'm going to use for cotton pads and cotton wool buds. You can tell with these two there's a little bit of a theme. Getting organised is my mission this year. I want to have all my skincare out looking really nice and really organised, and just being a bit more clean girl aesthetic, as we call it. Speaking of which, this is an absolute game changer. This is a makeup bag, but it's got little compartments in it, and it's also got a mirror. So this is already full of my makeup. It's got a little mirror, so it's perfect if you're going away, like for a weekend, and you don't want to take, sometimes you know when you go to hotels and they don't really have mirrors, like proper ones for you to do your makeup in. This is perfect. And then the bottom one is basically full of all my brushes, and a few palettes. So I don't actually know where this is from. My friend got it for me, but what a good idea. Next up, a little Costa voucher. This will be being used, I don't know if it's open today. If it's open today, I'm going to get a coffee today because I really still want a gingerbread latte, just to kind of like, you know, wave goodbye to Christmas and last year, and then I'll have all the cold drinks in about a week's time. But that is a genius idea. I then got this Redken Acidic Bonding Concentrate Liquid Mask, 5-minute mask. And now that my hair has got so long, as you can see, I'm trying to really look after it. So this is the perfect prezzy for me. I'm going to give it a go and I'll let you know my thoughts. If you haven't actually already seen my 2023 favourites slash things you need in 2024, check that out because there's a lot of beauty products in there that I think you should definitely try. I then got the Oui Cherie makeup duo. This is the setting mist and this is the primer. This gripping primer by the Beauty Crop is actually amazing. I've been wearing it every day since I got it. I opened this on Christmas Eve and I've been using it every day. The same with this, but this one out of the two is my absolute favourite. It just makes your skin flawless and really like ready and prepared to have your makeup on. Definitely recommend. I've been after these two lip liners for the longest time and they're always out of stock. These are the Rimmel Cappuccino and Tiramisu. So this one here is the, what is that? Is that the Tiramisu? One sec. Where's the name? Yeah. This one is Tiramisu and then this one is Cappuccino. I've just wanted them for ages, but in my local ones they're always out of stock, and I know I could order online, but it's very handy. I then got some of these Tatcha oil blotting sheets. Oh my god, these are going to be an absolute godsend as the weather warms up. As we get into spring and summer, these will be in my handbag non-stop. I don't know how many you get in here. 40 sheets, but they're really good for like blotting your face when you're a little bit on the oily side. Absolute game changer if you've not tried these before. I then got the Real Techniques sponges. So one is actually a liquid sponge and one is like a just your Miracle Air Blend sponge, and you've got a little case for them, which is perfect because currently my other sponge is like wrapped in a bit of can't believe I'm about to say this, wrapped in a bit of kitchen roll in that makeup thing. So when I lifted up the bottom bit, you probably saw a bit of kitchen roll. Bit embarrassing, but I didn't want makeup to go all over it because it's white, so I'm going to be using this now. Then this is a typical Lauren favourite because I feel like everybody that knows me knows how much I love a candle. Oh, can't wait to light this. It smells kind of, it is pumpkin, but it smells more like cookies, and I just want my whole room to smell really like cozy and like I've just been baking some cookies. I'm not the best at baking, so I'll have to make do with this kind of This is actually called Pumpkin Harvest, but definitely the cookie kind of smell. One of my favourite prezzies, this is the Laura Mercier Ombre Vanille Body Cream. Oh my god, this smells insane, and this was actually one of my 2023 favourites. I've used it years ago, didn't get around to buying it again, and then I got it for Christmas from mum, and oh, it is incredible. Look at that. Oh, it smells insane. Let me just put that down. I'm literally going to be smelling unbelievable this year. Like, this is going to last me ages, but oh, Ombre Vanille is definitely my favourite one. Later on, my plan is to actually sort out all my skincare and beauty products, and then I can take them all out of the box, have them all laid out nicely. By the way, I'm actually amazed at how many prices I've got, because I literally told like mum not to get me anything, and then some of my family members always give me money because they know I've got a holiday booked. Basically, they always know that I want to go away. So I didn't really expect to get any prezzies this year, but very, very grateful. I then got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This is the little mini one. Look how cute that is. I'm a big fan of the Magic Cream. I haven't actually used it in about a year, just because I think I finished it and then went on to something new. So the fact I've got it again means I'm gonna whack it back out. One of my favourite brands is the Rituals Hair Mist. This is an absolute essential. If you're ever stuck for ideas of what to get somebody, get them one of these, because you can't go wrong. And this is the Foaming Shower Gel in Indian Rose and Sweet Almond Oil. The Cherry Blossom, again, is a gorgeous one. I then got the Neil & Wolf Texture Spray. Listen, if you need to get some volume in your hair, which is basically me today, I haven't worn my hair straight in the longest time because I just was curling it, and I thought, no, I need to just leave it, but it's so flat and I hate it. So I'm going to put some of this on it later, but the Neil & Wolf Texture Spray is brilliant. I had it used on me in Newcastle when I had a blow dry in summer, and then Am got it for me for Christmas. We were both amazed at the volume. My hair was literally flat as anything, and then like one spray of this and it was like, whoa. So I probably should have used that before I filmed today's video. Then I got the L'Occitane Cherry Blossom Duo. This one is the little mini hand cream, shower gel and body cream. Again, perfect for travelling. I don't know if I can take it out and show you. Oh, here you go. You can see it there. Again, L'Occitane Cherry Blossom is my favourite. I had the L'Occitane Advent Calendar this year. Would definitely recommend, because every single product in there is something you'll use, so it's definitely worth it. I got a little Ho 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 M&S candle. These are brilliant. I actually bought one of these before Christmas and I used it already, so I'm still going to whack this one out. When you light it, they light up and they look so pretty. I got numerous bottles of Prosecco, but 2 of which have already been drunk, so this one is the one that's remaining. So no doubt that one won't be lasting long either. From the M&S Calm range, I got some little body washes. One is Restore, Meditate, Sleep and Calm. I've definitely tried Calm before and I love it. I then got these little mini, this came in a little cracker. These are the White Company Winter Duo. So it's a hand cream and a hand wash. Winter is my favourite scent from the White Company currently. They always bring out like a new one. And when I was in there just before Christmas with mum, they were telling us what their new one was. I can't remember what it was, but I definitely prefer Winter. So these are really good for like handbag size, especially this one. And the hand wash, again, I'm just going to keep at home, but they do a big one of this, and I think they're really nice as like moving in presents for somebody, or like a little gift set for someone's birthday. They've actually got a massive sale on at the moment, so I'll link these below. And then I also got, you're not going to be surprised by this, the Winter candle, as you can see here. So I love Winter. It is cinnamon, clove and orange, but mum loves Fireside, so I got her Fireside. Winter is definitely a winner. And then last but not least, my favourite present. How gorgeous is this packaging? It comes in like a really cute little pouch as well. So I will open all of these. So these are Dior eye palettes, and I'm so excited about these, especially for this year, which you'll all find out why. This is the Dior Backstage eye palette in 002. So I'll open this one and show you. These colours are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Love that so much. These are definitely more high-end, but the pigment looks amazing and I can't wait to use them. I then also got 2 more. So this one is, what number is this one? 689. I feel so lucky because I know these are not cheap at all. Here you go. Look at that gold shade. That is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if you can see properly, but I've seen a few people using these on TikTok as well. So So when I opened it, I was really surprised because I didn't expect to get them. And then this is the last one. This is 559, and again, gorgeous colours in this one. Look at that. I feel like it's quite hard for you to see on here, but basically we've got a really nice shimmer in there, which I love for like a bronzy glow, especially in like spring, summer. I don't think you can go wrong. So those were definitely my favourite presents, but I loved everything I got and I feel really lucky. I think I've done very well this year, and I don't want you to think this is any like braggy video or anything like that. I just love watching them, and I think it's really interesting to see what people buy. It also gives me ideas for the following year. So I've been really enjoying watching these, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, Happy New Year. I hope this is the best year yet for you, and I will see you in my next video.